Hello everyone, how are you? I do hope you're well. Now this video today is going to be very different. A little bit about myself. My name's Claire and my YouTube channel is Jewelry Tutorials for Complete Jewelry Beginners. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewelry, craft and jewelry supplies, although you will start seeing some jewelry coming in that either hasn't been made by me or I have purchased. I will state in the listing what's what. My small business was established in 2010. I did have a website before my current website years ago, many years ago, and although I got sales, it didn't do too good. It didn't do too good. Basically, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know about SEO. What is SEO, you may ask? Search engine optimization. SEO is search engine optimization, and already some of you may be thinking, what?
SEO is the process of optimizing your website and content to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results, leading to more organic unpaid traffic, which is what we want.
I knew nothing about keywords. Although I did get sales, it wasn't like from outside sources, so like people looking on Google, because I didn't know what I was doing. Fast forward to today, I have my own website and I have it through Shopify. Now there isn't a week that goes by and people don't say to me, I would love to have my own website, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not technical. That was me. Now the water here running, I have a small animal rescue and I also do wildlife transporting when I have the time. Everything is self-funded for myself. I'm very transparent and I'm currently trying to save a beautiful oriental goldfish. Cannot turn the filter off the oxygen, so just like I say, I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it real. So why am I different from all the thousands of people that you see? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you know, all these social media channels. What makes me so different? Transparency. Transparency and trust. Now, if you go down, if you look in the comments, you will see, I'm not saying I've got a huge following or anything, but if we've got a YouTube family going and there's room for lots more. So you'll find jewelry tutorials for complete jewelry beginners. I do other craft projects. I do share days out, and I will be doing some educational videos like this, all sorts. I have all sorts. I've got some on Etsy, and Etsy I have over 30,000 sales. Again, transparency, everything will be linked down below and you can check me out. A lot of these people that I see online, they'll give you that sales pitch. Where is the proof? Where is the proof? So I am now a Shopify affiliate. What does that mean? That means if you sign up using my link, I get a small commission. Now I say small commission, it all varies. Just by clicking on the link, taking the free trial, trying the free trial, I don't earn anything. I don't earn anything. I will get commission if someone signs up. If somebody signs up for Shopify. So going back, I'm always being asked, or people say they want a website but they don't know where to start. And this is where Shopify comes in. Now when I started my Shopify, I just signed up. I can't remember how much it was. If you click on my link below, you can sign up for a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify for £1 per month. For just £1 a month, it doesn't matter if you're not from the UK, whether you're in the US and it's US dollars, whether you're in Europe and it's euro. My link will work for you. You can try Shopify for 3 days. There's no credit card required. You don't have to sign up, just so you can go in, have a look. Is it for you? And you may think, why did I choose Shopify? Now I'm going to do some help videos, some self-help videos on Shopify. This will be the very first one, just to tell people about myself, who I am. You know, I really want to know who that person is that I'm listening to. I don't want to hear a sales pitch. I want to see your proof. So I will be doing some Shopify help videos to get you started. When I started, I was not technical. I'm still not. So what to sell on Shopify? So the number one product for Shopify is handmade products. Some people use it for dropshipping, print on demand, digital products, classes, tutorials. There's a whole host of things. Now, just an example, print on demand is another business model. It requires no inventory or shipping. If you're creative, you can put your designs, t-shirts, mugs, phone accessories. If you are successful and have a big following, you can have merch. You can have merch. I can only dream. I can see it now. Happy crafting. Make your creations stand out from the crowd. There's secure payments, and Shopify supports over 100 payment gateways, enabling users to accept various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, Apple Pay. So it's ever so secure. If you purchase from me on my website, I don't have your bank details. I don't have access to your bank details. It's completely secure, so you don't have to worry about your details being stolen or anything. I pay £25 a month and I just have the basic Shopify. My website has thousands of products. Just to let you know, there's basic Shopify, there is Shopify, there's advanced Shopify, and there is Shopify Plus.
Basic Shopify, the one that I have, is a great option for new online stores. This plan includes necessary features like multi-channel selling, a website, a blog, 24/7 support, and integrated payment processing.
Most people just start on the basic Shopify. So I'm going to be covering all of this. So I will be covering all of this. Let's just say you sell at craft fairs. Shopify is great. Make your card payments through the app. Now, if you're in the US, you are entitled. You can get a free card reader. Unfortunately, if like me, you're in the UK, Europe, you will have to buy your own card reader. Yeah, but they're not that expensive. So if this is something you feel you would like to do, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. What I will be doing as well, and I think what I will do, because I don't want to bombard people with Shopify videos, as I'm doing my drawing videos, I will do a little bit of a pitch, just saying if you want to sell on Shopify, and I will link the playlist because I don't want to bombard people that are here just for tutorials. But Shopify is absolutely great. There is 24/7 support. Now, if you get stuck, I'll try my best to help you. Obviously, I'm not 24/7 support, and if need be, I'll link you with a help video. I'm not just going to give you a link and run. So I'm going to do some tutorials with you, how to find keywords, listings, and set things up. But if you want to go ahead, you are welcome to sign up free for 3 days. If you just want to have a play around, so everything will be linked down below. I've got a drawing tutorial coming up I'm going to be doing after this. If you have got this far, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to sharing some Shopify tutorials with you. Take care.